Today is Wednesday, October 8th, and this is your forecast for the central United States. And still, we're being treated to some really great weather in the middle of the country. It is a noticeable change, though, in the Midwest, where we've gone from what really felt like August to what feels a lot more like it should here in the month of October. So we've noticed that cool change for much of the Midwest and even into portions of the northern plains. We actually had some freeze warnings this morning for a good part of the northern plains and western Great Lakes. That means the end of the growing season in those areas. All that changed thanks to this very long cold front. There are still some showers there in the deep south along the Gulf Coast, through parts of the southeast, all the way up into the northeast. But here's the nice, cool fall weather I'm not talking about. 61 in Grand Rapids, 62 in Detroit. We got 63 for both Cleveland and Chicago, as well as over there in Minneapolis. Temperatures have cooled down here along the Ohio River Valley as well. Still a lingering shower this morning in Pittsburgh, but we're 70 in Cincy and Louisville today, mid 70s for Nashville and Memphis. That cool air is going to stick around for most of this week in the Midwest. There's the tiniest hint of a warm up this weekend, but we're not looking at any 80s like we've seen a lot of lately. We're talking 70 at best here on Sunday. Could be into the 70s in Chicago, but then we'll fall back closer to 70 here early next week. No crazy cold air, though, to be found anywhere here in the United States. It could be, an Arctic blast early in the season, but not this year around, not 2025. Some showers and storms in the southeast thanks to an area of low pressure that's going to start to develop off the east coast. We'll see how that tracks its way off to the northeast here over the weekend, but that just starts to get going on the tail end of this cold front here at the end of the day. Crosses Florida, emerges here in the southeast. So right now it's just a cold front, but over the next couple of days it could stay pretty showery here in the southeast thanks to that developing area of low pressure. Today, though, out toward New Orleans, 87 with sun and clouds, 88 in Dallas. In Charlotte, as I mentioned, it's a showery forecast. We got a cold front coming through now. You'll feel that tomorrow for sure. And then an area of low pressure along the southeast coast, keeping clouds and showers around, will keep those temperatures on the rather cool side for the southeast this time of the year. A couple of brief showers around in South Florida this morning. We're talking about Fort Lauderdale. Some of those showers and storms will still be around this afternoon, but actually looks like into the evening things start to dry out a bit. As we look at our extended forecasts in Fort Lauderdale, the temperature trend is one that keeps you pretty solidly here in the mid 80s for the next 7 days. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update, which means, we're halfway through the week. So Friday's just a few days away. You can do it. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.